In a fast-paced, high-stakes work environment, it takes workers with nerves of steel to survive. Unfortunately, the following people lack just that.
1 minute, okay. No. Wait. I must do something on the paper! Fuck.
Meanwhile, we're bringing back an internet classic from 2007 in this office photocopy clip. Finally, how could anyone be mad when they have the highly coveted job of handling several tons of filthy shit on a daily basis? Also guys, the video from 2 days ago, Sexually Charged Commercials, was momentarily taken down by YouTube, but it is now back up. It was a really good video, so if you missed it, or if you want to watch it again, click the link at the top of the description.